Hello everyone, I am Sai Sumed. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a mobile application using React-Native Expo. This is the official Expo documentation where you can find the installation process to create your Expo application. This is the command to create a basic Expo application along with the tab navigation template and with Expo Router version 2. I will just copy the command. Open the terminal. Now I am creating a folder named demo app and change the directory to demo app. Then paste the command over here and press enter. Now for the app name, in this case I am giving / to create the app inside the current folder and press enter. Let's wait for completion of installation process. So, our project folder is ready with all the necessary dependencies. Let's open VS Code and view the entire code of the application. Type code spaced if you are using normal VS Code, or type code -insider spaced if you are using VS Code Insider's application in your machine to launch VS Code with the created project. I already launched the emulator in my PC to save some time. Click on Yes to trust the author of the current project folder. This is the project folder structure of the Expo tabs template application. In the app folder we will be having the code for all the screens and tabs of the application. _layout.tsx is the main file where the app will go and check initially to render the code. To start the app, press Ctrl J to open terminal and enter npx expo start to start the development server. Wait for a few seconds to start the server. We have QR code over here. By scanning the QR code in the Expo Go application we can directly use the application in our mobile which we are going to build. Now press A in terminal to launch the Android app inside the emulator. Wait for a few seconds to bundle the app. This is the basic Expo application along with the tab navigation. If you click on the icon on right side of the header, it will navigate to the modal screen which is outside the tab navigation but in the stack navigation of entire app. If you click on the left side icon on the header, it will go back to the previous screen. Now we will see what is in the tabs folder. We have _layout.tsx with tabs configuration with 2 tabs. Tabs is the inbuilt component which is coming from Expo Router. This is the code for tab 1. Here is the title of the tab, and then we have header right component with a traceable icon, which is a link and navigates us to another route if we press it. Here it will navigate to /modal, and this is the modal screen code. And the next one was tab 2 screen. We have a components folder separately so that we can write custom components which we are going to use inside the screens. And we have constants folder where we can define the specific constant data such as theme values and some other fixed data and so on. This is the entire folder structure of the app, and you can modify the folder structure in your own way if you want to customize it. Let's try to edit the code inside the tab screens. I will open index.tsx file under tabs folder. I will just type 123 next to tab 1, and you can see the change on the app screen. When I save the code, it immediately updated the app with the latest code. This has happened due to hot reload functionality inside the React Native architecture. That's it about today's video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.
Please do like, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.